Good morning, students. Today we can discuss about the topic models of teaching. The classic definition of teaching is the design and creation of environments. Students learn by interacting with those environments and they study how to learn. A model of teaching can be defined as the depiction of teaching and learning environment, including the behavior of teachers and students, while the lesson is presented through that model. Models of teaching enable the students to engage in robust cognitive and social tasks and teach the student how to use them productively. Models of teaching are the specific instructional plans which are designed according to the concerned learning theories. It provides a comprehensive blueprint for curriculum design, instructional materials, planning lessons, teacher-pupil roles, supporting aid, and so forth. Bruce Joyce and Marcia Weil defines a model of teaching is a description of a learning environment, including our behavior as teachers when that model is used. Again defines that model are prescriptive teaching strategies which help to realize specific instructional goals. Models of teaching are really models of learning. It helps students to acquire information, ideas, skills, value, way of thinking, and means of expressing themselves. Hence, models of teaching train the students on how to learn. In fact, the most important long-term outcome of instruction may be the students' increased capabilities to learn more easily and effectively in the future. Hence, the main aim of models of teaching is to create powerful learners. Now, we can discuss about the main characteristics of models of teaching. What are the main characteristics of the models of teaching? Each model has built up based on particular learning theory. Next one is creation of congenial learning environment in the classroom. Then effective interaction between the teacher and the students. Then planned use of appropriate strategies. Teaching process are systematically, sequentially and logically arranged. Then clear and specified roles for teachers and students. Then large scope for supporting material. Ensure active participation of entire students in the class. Every model foster and strengthen the cognitive structure of the students. Now we can discuss about the elements of models of teaching. What are the important elements in the models of teaching? There are mainly 4 elements. They are syntax, social system, principles of reaction, and support system. We can deal with each one separately. First one, syntax. It is the steps or phases of the model being presented before the class. It illustrates the logical and sequential order of the teacher-student activities of the instructional procedure. It describes the complete program of action of the model. Next one is social system. Social system of a model explains its nature of learning environment. It describes the role and relationship of the teacher and students through the phases as well as designing the lesson. As each and every model is unique, the role of teacher and students in every model may vary according to the respective learning theory of the model is built. It also varies in phases to phases. Next one is principles of reaction. This is the extension of social system. It deals with the rules of reaction to the students' responses in the classroom interaction. The reaction of the teacher must be in accordance with the theory of which model has been built. The next one is support system. It includes all instructional aids used in a model of teaching. Example books, encyclopedia, video clips, slides, newspapers, films, etc. Now, we can deal with the different families of models of teaching. Bruce Joyce and Marcia Weil categorize the models of teaching into 4 families. These are the information processing family, social family, behavioral family, and the personal family. First one, the information processing family. Models in the information processing family focus on the cognitive activity of child. It includes scientific inquiry of collecting original information, organizing and properly storing of the information. So it is mainly deals with how we gather the information, how we collect the information and how we organize that information. And the important models that comes under this family are inductive thinking model developed by Hilda Taba, then concept attainment model developed by Jerome S. Bruner, the picture word inductive model, scientific inquiry model, inquiry training model, mnemonic model, synetic model, advanced organizer model. And among those, in our syllabus, we are discussing only about the concept attainment model developed by Jerome S. Bruner. The next one is the social family. The focus of social model family is to build synergy in the classroom for addressing ongoing problems of personal, social, national as well as international importance. Social models helps the students to develop self-directed problem-solving ability, sense of belongingness towards the society, and make them responsible citizens of the country. And the important models that come under this family are partners in learning, structured inquiry, group investigation, role-playing, and jurisprudential inquiry model developed by Donald Oliver and James Shavo. And in our syllabus, we are discussing only the jurisprudential inquiry model developed by Donald Oliver. Next one is the personal family. The personal model begins from the perspective of the selfhood of the individual. Individual consciousness and development of unique personality is the chief focus of this family. The model in personal family attempt to make them understand their self and thereby students can shape their future. And the main models that come under this category are non-directive teaching model and enhancing self-esteem model. The next one is the behavioral system family. Modification of behavior is the main focus of this family. The stance taken is that human beings are self-correcting communication systems that modify behavior in response to the information about how successfully tasks are navigated. The role of predetermined objectives, observable behavior, clearly defined task and method, feedback and reinforcement are the foundations of model in behavior family. And the important models that come under this category are mastery learning model, direct instruction model, simulation model, social learning, programmed schedule developed by B.F. Skinner. And in this, we can conclude that models of teaching are very effective teaching strategies which are meant for transacting specific topic to the students. The nature of the topic, presentation method, and classroom environment will direct the teacher that what model of teaching he or she has to select for teaching the concerned topic. However, the teachers and student teachers should be well aware on the concept and various models of teaching. Hence, they can implement the models of teaching in their professional life and make wonder in the classroom interactions.